Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to hide your subscribers count on YouTube. So as a new beginner, as a new YouTuber, you would like to do this, and I think I should encourage you to do it because viewers don't like going to places that there are not much traffic. So as a new YouTuber, please try and hide your subscriber count so you could get more people to come and see what your video looks like when they see your thumbnail. So without further ado, let's see how it's done. We'll go over to the search bar and we'll type studio.youtube. So we click on it, it brings us here, and we click on it, it takes us to the studio. Here, yes, you can see this is a new channel I created just for the purpose of this tutorial. It has 0 subscriber count. So let's hide this channel. So you go to settings, click on settings, then this is not supposed to take too long. You go to channel. Once you click on channel, you go to advanced settings. Once you get to advanced settings, you go down a bit. On the advanced settings, you see subscriber counts, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So you uncheck it because automatically YouTube shows your subscriber count. So you uncheck it, then you save. Easy peasy, so easy. So everyone can do this. So I encourage you as a new beginner on YouTube, you are trying out to grow your channel, to do this method because it's going to help you a lot. Make people want, after seeing your thumbnail, the fine thumbnail you created, want to click on your video. If you got value from this video, please leave me a comment. If you have any question, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and subscribe. I'm talking to you watching my video. Please do subscribe. You can always turn off the notification bell if it gives you a lot of trouble, but do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and always do that thing in your heart that you want to do. Start that business, start that YouTube channel you want to start. Go for it, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.